and welcome to Excel in Excel. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Paste Special to perform simple calculations while pasting in Excel. So let's get started. Now I have two tables here and we are going to look from the very basics. So let's say I copy this using Ctrl C and I want to add these values to the table 1. So I choose my destination, press Ctrl Alt V. This would open the Paste Special dialog box. In this we have already seen the paste options in the previous video. So if you haven't seen it, please do go and watch it. In this video we are going to learn few operations. So let's say I want to add these values to the table 1. So I would select the operation add and click OK. So now it adds the values of table 2 to the table 1 and returns the answer. So this is how you can perform addition using Paste Special. Next, let us take a look at how to subtract the values. Let's say I want to subtract the values of table 2 from the table 1. So how would I do that? I would copy the values in the table 2, select the destination where I want to subtract them, press Ctrl Alt V. This would help me land in the Paste Special dialog box. So this time, since I want to subtract, I would choose the operation subtract and click OK. So that would subtract the values of table 2 from the table 1 and return the answer in the first table. Similarly, if you want to multiply, let's say you want to multiply 30 by 10, 40 by 10. So how to do it using Paste Special? So I would copy the value 10, choose the destination to which I want to multiply it with, press Ctrl Alt V. This would help me land in the Paste Special dialog box. So since I want to multiply, I would choose the option multiply, click OK. So you would notice the numbers that were 30, 40 multiplied and got as 300, 400. So this is how you can multiply using the Paste Special. The next operation we have is the divide. So let's say I want to divide 300 divided by 5, 400 divided by 5. So how would I do that? Copy the number 5. Select the cells to which you want to divide this number. Press Ctrl Alt V. And as we want to divide, I would choose the operation divide and click OK. So you would notice the numbers that were here got divided by 5 and returned this answer. Few more options in the Paste Special dialog box are skip blanks and transpose. Now how does transpose work? Let me show you. So let me select the company name and the share price and I copy it. I choose a destination cell. I press Ctrl Alt V to land in the Paste Special dialog box, choose transpose option and click OK. So now you would have noticed that what Excel has done is it has transposed from columnar form to rows. So transpose option helps you transpose your data either way. Either you can make it from row to column or column to row. The next option that Excel provides us is the skip blanks option. So if you have any blanks in your data, Excel would ignore those blanks or replace the blanks with other values in the cell. So let me give you an example of this. So let's say I have removed these two data here and let's say I want to copy this data over here, but I do not want to change the data that is there in the blank space over here. So this and this data I want to get it copied here without changing these two values. So how would I do that is select these cells, press Ctrl C to copy, select the destination cell, press Ctrl Alt V, click on skip blanks and click OK. So all other data has changed except the blank data. So wherever there was blank, Excel has skipped to copy and paste that cell. So this is how you can perform calculations using the paste special option in Excel.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for instant updates. See you in the next video.